Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I am going to do a flip through of my Luke journal. I told you on the last video that I was going to make a video where I filled it, but I thought instead of that, I'm going to go ahead and fill it and just show it to you when I'm done, because what happens is when I fill a journal, I go back and forth and I sit there and I'm like, not there, and it's kind of boring, I think. So I went ahead and did all that. So I'm just going to do the flip through now. And before I do that, I want to tell you I am so excited. I haven't been this excited for a long time to make a journal kit, but I have this idea. It's going to take a while, but it's going to be the whole Bible, and it's going to be an accordion journal, or a concertina journal, if you want to call it that. And so I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to do a deck of cards with each card will be a book of the Bible. So super excited about that, and I've already got it going. I still have to do John and do all my videos making the journal of John, but while I'm doing that, I'm going to be downstairs on the computer designing the one about the whole Bible. So anyway, just wanted to give you a heads up about that, what's coming, and we'll go on with this. So this is the book of Luke, and I took my card that tells what's special about Luke and I just put it right inside this cover here. I thought that was a good spot for it. So okay, so I'm just going to go through. So I used all my things from the ephemera that we had from the kit, and then I added some more things that I have in my stash. So you'll see things that aren't in the kit. Don't be alarmed. You didn't miss anything. They're just extras. So there's that. Here's one of my clips. This is one of my deck of cards. Tag from the kit. The other side of that clip. Card from the kit. Little text there, that little envelope. This is from another kit. So tag, be bold. My flashcard kit from the kit. Here's my Anna and Simeon. And I put my little envelopes under there, and a couple of tags, and a big tag that I had in my stash. Count it all joy. And a pocket from my stash. Looks like I need to finish gluing. Tag from the kit. Do not be afraid, only believe. And some more. This one from the kit. This is just an extra I had. And here's a little piece of ephemera from the kit. And tag from the kit. Card from the kit. Another card from the kit. Another card from the kit. Here's the slide we did from the kit. Tag from the kit. And the notepad that we made. Another card. Little envelope and a little tag from the kit. Here's the tickets, salvation free to all, admit one. There's your tickets. Here's an extra tag that I had that I thought went well with the colors of that. Loved. Playing card with scriptures on it that I had in my stash. Here's the kit, the altered paper clip, one of them from the kit. An extra tag that I have that I made. Some of the tags from the kit with the little edges that we had left over. Here's the big fold out pocket, and actually I need a card for that, maybe, or do I? Maybe I don't, but there's a pocket there that I don't have anything in. So there's that, unfolded on that side with the parables, and this one with other parables on that side. And pocket with the card from the kit. fold out folio. Here's the ticket to paradise, scripture in Luke, and the Gospels. It tells which each Gospel represents. Here's a couple of pieces of ephemera from the kit. A little pocket here with an extra tag in it. A tag from the kit and a little piece of ephemera that I had. And there's a clip. There's a clip and I didn't put anything in it yet. Here's a tag from the kit. Belly band and the tag that was in the kit about Mary and Martha. Another little tag. And another little tag here. And then another one in the back. And then we have our journaling signature to make notes on. And that is it. All finished with Luke. And it ended up being, you know, it was kind of collapsed before I filled it. But as you can see, it's just about the right thickness. And so now I can tie it shut. And we are going to start on John. Here we go. And thank you very much for watching. And I will see you on the next video. And we will get started on the very last book of the Gospel, John. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.